Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with this fire beginner friendly wig install from KesWigs. This is my first time ordering from this company. I do have a coupon code KesJD. I'm gonna link it on the screen in case you guys want to save at checkout. Look at this texture. Look at that movement. Look at the luster. Look at the shine. This hair is gorgeous. This hair is literally thick from root to end. When I say this is my new favorite hair texture, this is Indian hair, bomb beautiful. This hair did come pre-plucked. I did not bleach the wig, like I did not bleach the knots, for anybody wondering, because a bunch of you guys told me you didn't know how to bleach knots, so you guys want it straight out of the package. I didn't wash this hair. I literally took it straight out of the package and installed it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are looking for some bomb hair, this is 22 inches. It's giving it to me. Like I love this hair. I am in love with this company. I've never worked with them before, but their hair is superior. Like, this hair is bomb. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I don't have any baby hairs and this unit is bomb. Let's get straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Your hair comes presented like this. I'm going to definitely go over the specs of the wig, but inside, you guys, they give you a curling iron. Low-key, this is like a mini waver, so that's really cool. So you can either, you know, tie your hair around it and have curls, or you can have these little mini waves, which is absolutely cool. So this came with the wig install. They do give you a pretty dust bag to keep your wig inside of. You get a little milk belt. I love these, so I'll be using this one in today's video. You absolutely need one of these for a flawless install. Wig cap, which I'm going to just put on my head now because we need this for today's wig install. They also give you a cute little makeup bag, and inside you get a KesWig hair clip, some bobby pins, adjustable strap, and edges brush. So the wig does come in this package. It's actually straight out of the package. I have not bleached knots. I haven't washed the hair. This is gonna just be straight out of the package because so many people have been requesting like straight out of the package. I personally prefer to wash hair, but this is for the ladies who keep asking for it. Okay, straight out, it's thick. On here it says 13 by 6 HD, 180 density, medium size cap, 20 to 22 inch bundles. So straight out of the package, the hair is thick from like root to tip, so I absolutely love that. The inside of the wig, as you guys can see, it's 13 by 6, so the lace is a lot of lace on the inside. You do have adjustable straps and hair clips at the back. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. I have not bleached anything. This is just straight out of the package. It is single knotted in the front, which is absolutely gorgeous. So let's just get this bad boy on our head. So this is what it looks like straight out of the package. As you guys can see, the lace is really nice. It's lacing to the scalp. I did not bleach it. This did come pre-plucked, and you don't need to bleach the hairline if you are no good at doing that. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful unit, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's really nice. It is 13 by 6, so it is a bunch of parting space. Like, the hair itself is really thick, and I absolutely love the texture of the hair. The parting space on the side is so much, because you guys know a lot of these other wig companies, they kind of keep the parting space really short, but this is a lot of parting space all throughout the hair, which I absolutely love. Like, it's all the way back there. So this is a frontal, like, not a lace front. This is a frontal wig, and I am absolutely here for it. Okay, so I'm gonna just go on with my handy dandy spray. I feel like this is the best alternative if you don't want like a super crazy hold, but you know you want your wig to last. I just spray it on my hairline. So far, I love how melty this hairline is. It's really nice. The hair is really thick yet really straight. Granted, I haven't washed the hair, so I don't know the natural texture, but I'm gonna assume that it's like a straight or like a slight wave because it's giving straight. It's a nice thick texture, like for all my women out there who are interested in thick yet silky beautiful hair. this is really nice. Like, I'm pleasantly surprised at how nice this wig is. Granted, I knew that it was gonna be nice. I didn't know it was gonna be this nice. And I absolutely love the tiny knots in the front. So hopefully when we are to straighten the hair, you guys are gonna see how beautiful the knots are. I think I'm gonna go bone straight because I wanna see how straight the hair gets, okay? I am 110% really excited about this wig install. So now we just take this and we just add it. This process is super easy, guys. Don't make it difficult. So we literally just pull it straight like this. Just go in. Ooh. I do think if I were to have bleached the knots like I normally do, this would be crazy. Growing out of my scalp, kind of crazy. I am going to cut off the lace. To do so, I am going to use a razor blade, but I want you guys to see how melty the lace is to my skin. It's really nice. Like, it's really nice. And I found that cutting downward like this, like downward, game changer. Like, I've been cutting it this way, and cutting it down like this cuts it easy beats. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna finish cutting this off and then we'll be right back. So real quick, how you know something is good HD lace? Do you guys see the edges of the lace? When it comes looking like that already, that's how you know it's some bomb lace. And can you see it against my skin? Better yet, my tattoo. That's really good lace. I'm gonna just cut off the other side briefly, but just straight out, and I left a little bit on. It looks really good. This is no plucking, no bleaching knots. It looks really good. So I am going to briefly spot a few little areas, just like down here. We're not gonna go too ham, but I do have some areas over here that I do want to relay down. Ooh, it's melted. You guys, it's really nice. So you guys, we are going to have a middle part. Classic. I'm going to just press the hair. We're gonna just add a twinkle bit of mousse and just a little. So far, you guys, this wig is nice. Easy peasy to manage, easy peasy to work with. I'm just going with some powder because I didn't bleach the knots. And I just want to vibrance my part a bit. So you guys can see how far back that bad boy goes. Let me show you guys something. Look at this hair. Do you see the movement? Do you see the ends? This is just one side. It's thick. Like, the hair is thick from root to tip. Like, look at these ends. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Hair wise, this is Undetectable lace. Absolutely love it. This is Indian texture. I didn't bleach the knots, but I do think that, you know, if you're like a wig professional, bleaching these knots is going to make this wig crazy. But if you're a beginner and don't know how to bleach your knots, this is gorgeous. Like, when I say running my hands through it, This is perfect. The length is gorgeous. It's 22 inches. It is 22 inches. It is beefy. I am flabbergasted. I did run a flat iron through it just a few times. It didn't take that much to get straight. I love it. If you guys are wondering about the mousse that I use, it's the Nairobi mousse. I prefer this mousse because it does not leave the hair hard and crunchy, but you guys, you need this wig. Like if you're a wig lover and you're here for like a nice straight texture, this is bomb. Like I said, I don't know what the original texture looks like because I have not washed the hair yet. This is my first time just taking it out of the package and kind of going, and I'm here for it. It's so gorgeous. I did not end up doing baby hairs because I just wanted to do a quick little bust down, and this is like a go-to everyday throw-on wig because I am here for the thickness, the luster, the volume, the shine. Like it's giving, it's my hair. I am pleasantly surprised, y'all. This wig is the bomb. This wig is really nice. Like if you guys are looking for a beautiful unit, you guys really need this wig. I do have a coupon code. It's KesJD if you guys want to save some money at checkout. I will link it on screen and in the description. I'll have like a link to the product. But you guys, absolutely love this hair. This is my first time ordering from this company and I would order from them again because I am here for the thickness of this unit. Like for anybody out there looking for a thick bomb, like when I say this hair is bomb, do y'all see that luster and that shine? Like this looks like it's my hair. This is gorgeous. Like I am absolutely here for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You guys 110% need this unit. You guys will be happy campers, and I can't stress enough to you guys, these ends, they are so damn nice. Baby, this is cute. This is cute. All right, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.